The thief's mother's big voice. Oh, the forest is on fire. Who stole my crown? This crown is my pride, the symbol of my king. Last night, I dreamed of holding a royal court and giving prizes to everyone. When I woke up, I saw that the kingdom was gone, the crown was gone, the honor was gone. Now my head is empty, my heart is empty, and it seems that I am not a king, but a poor subject. Who dared to enter my house and take the crown? We must find out today. Otherwise, there will be no peace in this forest, even the monkeys sitting on the trees will not laugh. Today I will roar so loudly that if the thief makes a sound in his throat, he will run away. I swear, no one will sleep today if I do not get the crown. The name of the tiger is Tiger. I will catch the thief even if I scare him. Your Majesty, calm down. I heard a strange noise last night near your house. At first I thought you were snoring, then I realized the sound was different, it was like someone was roaring, hum. I knew right away that something was wrong. I think the thief's throat is very thick, because he made such a sound that the leaves trembled, the birds flew away. Now I am taking charge as the fox detective Gedda. I will catch the thief and release him. I will set a trap, test everyone at night, let's see whose throat is big. But, Your Majesty, there is only one fear: if the thief's throat is like yours, then we will all run away. Because the bigger the thief's throat, the more terrible the fear is. Ah, tell me, why is everyone calling my name? I have been sleeping with my feet in the mud all night. Far be it from stealing the crown, I was even guarding you in my dreams. Do you suspect me because of my big throat? I sing loudly, I don't steal. If I had a crown hidden in my throat, I would have swallowed it. Your Majesty, I am so simple that I forget where I put my tail. I am a royal animal, not a thief. I think this thief is very clever, he is hiding among us. I promise the king, I will be in the front line in catching thieves. My voice is big, but my heart is even bigger. Oh, Father, this is great news. Has the king's crown been stolen? Now it will be on YouTube. Tiger King is unemployed, remove the crown. When I get such news, I announce from tree to tree, the forest is in turmoil in search of the thief. I think this thief not only has a great voice, but also great courage. There is only one thief in the forest whose voice makes the trees tremble. I will keep an eye on the branches of the trees, to see whose voice is vibrating. But if the thief roars, I will climb the treetop and broadcast it live, Tiger King investigation. But let me tell you one thing, Your Majesty, no matter how big a thief's voice is, his intelligence will catch him if his tail is short. Ah, everyone is just talking about fear, noise, and voice. No one is thinking logically. A thief's loud voice does not mean that he is a thief. Rather, the fact that his voice increases when he is afraid can also be the reason. I say, we need to use our intelligence without getting scared. The thief may be right in front of us, and we are trembling after hearing his story out of fear. Your Majesty, a thief can be caught by the truth, not by threatening him. We now need to think calmly, who benefited from this theft? No one wanted to become king by stealing the crown, but rather by scaring you. So, use your intelligence without getting scared, Your Majesty, and you will see that the thief will catch himself. Everyone be ready, he will really be caught tonight. The thief speaks loudly, so today we will take a test. The one with the most terrible sound in his throat is the thief. Show everyone one by one that they say, hum. The thief will dry his throat out of fear. Oh mother, I am sitting on the top of a tree. If someone says, hum, I will fly to the clouds. But the fun is in this: if everyone says, hum, one by one, the ghost drama will start in the forest. My throat sounds like a mountain wave. But I am not a thief. I am just clearing my throat. Then I will also say, hum. The forest trembles, the leaves fall, the birds fly away. Everyone is shocked. Look, that is a thief. The king's throat is making a terrible sound. Hey, I am the king. Am I a thief myself? What do you think? I stole my own crown? I roared because I am a tiger. Rajamshai, when you roared, the leaves of the tree shook, so everyone thought you were the big throat of a thief. That's right, when you scare them, everyone thinks they are thieves. But the real thief keeps quiet because he is scared. Suddenly, Monkey Chapu sees a shiny crown in his hand. Oops, Your Majesty, I found it while playing at night. I thought I would give it to you in the morning, but I was scared because everyone started looking for the thief, so I hid it. My throat is small, but my fear grew. Everyone laughed together. See, this is the big throat of a thief. My own throat got stuck out of fear. Education. Okay, Chapu, even if you are not a thief, hiding it because you are scared is also a sin. From today, everyone will remember hiding the truth means wearing a noose around your neck. Whether theft is small or big, hiding it means a big crime. Victory is not won by the strength of your voice, but by the strength of the truth. Educational message. When people are afraid, they blame themselves. Don't hide the truth, otherwise, the sound of your voice will become proof of your theft.